Hello everyone, you are watching Funny EHS Info, a YouTube channel for learning safety. Today topic is about ABC Fire Extinguisher. The contents in this topic are Introduction of ABC Extinguisher, then application, working principle, operating procedure and maintenance of ABC Fire Extinguishers. Introduction. We all know that every place, whether it's your home, workplace, or any public place, require to have fire extinguishers just to prevent any kind of fire hazard. However, most of us even don't know that a single fire extinguisher does not work on all types of fire. There are many different types of fire extinguishers available to fight with many different classes of fire. Hence, we first of all need to ensure that we have the proper extinguisher installed appropriately for the potential fire hazards for your building for achieving true safety. ABC Fire Extinguisher is one of the most well-known yet very versatile kinds of extinguishers available in the market. Application. ABC Fire Extinguisher is the ideal choice for many people as it can put out many different types of fires. They use a dry chemical like monoammonium phosphate, pale yellow color, which is capable of putting out all three classes of fire quickly. As the ABC type extinguisher uses a dry chemical that again helps to cool down the fire immediately, leaves a residue once the fire has been put out. Hence, keep this fact in mind when choosing this type of extinguisher. The ABC type fire extinguishers come in different sizes and capacities, and those are made for both commercial and non-commercial use. Moreover, ABC rated fire extinguishers are also known as multipurpose extinguishers and rated for use with more than one classification of fire. Working principle. ABC fire extinguisher is used to put out the fire, class A, B, C, by coating the fuel with a thin layer of dry chemical as dust for separating the fuel. These types of extinguishers are extremely effective in putting out the fire as the powder works to interrupt the chemical reaction of the fire. ABC fire extinguishers are used in a variety of locations, be it a new building, public hallway, laboratory, mechanical room, break room, chemical storage area, or office. Operating procedure. To operate ABC fire extinguisher, follow these three simple steps. Step 1. Take the extinguishers to the place of fire. Keep the extinguishers in upright position adjacent to your left or right leg as per the person's comfort. Hold the hose with the nozzle in one hand. Remove the safety clip. Step 2. Keep the nozzle with one hand and then operate the levers on its head with the other free hand. Point the nozzle directly towards base of the flames. Step 3. Sweep the nozzle with end-to-end movement on the flames until the flames are completely put off. The extinguishers shall be marked empty after use and shall be sent for refilling immediately. Maintenance. Servicing to be carried out by third party once in 3 months and record the observations in third party report. Servicing done date and next servicing due date to be mentioned in label Fire Extinguishers Service Card. Hydraulic pressure testing of extinguishers shall be done once in 3 years. Refill the fire extinguishers once in 3 years or whenever required. Fire extinguisher inspection to be carried out once in every month as per checklist. Checkpoints. To check fire extinguisher, follow these checkpoints. Confirm the extinguisher is visible, unobstructed, and in its designated location. Verify the locking pin is intact and the tamper seal is unbroken. Examine the extinguisher for obvious physical damage, corrosion, leakage, or clogged nozzle. Confirm the pressure gauge or indicator is in the operable range or position. Check the last professional service date on the tag. Make sure the operating instructions on the nameplate are legible and facing outward. Lift the extinguisher to ensure it is still full. Extinguisher handle is intact and not bent or broken. Indicate the overall condition of the extinguisher if pass or fail. Initial and date the back of the tag.
This is all about today's topic. Thanks for watching Funny EHS Info. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get immediate notification of our videos. Share our videos to your friends and colleagues to create safety awareness. If you have any questions and requirements, please comment in comment box. And please visit our website www.funnyehsinfo.com for notes of our videos. Have a safe day.